Marilyn. Do we have any audio on this? Thank you. It's always nice to know that before I start talking to myself, any more than usual. This is Marilyn, everybody, and good morning. It is the morning edition of Welcome to My World, and this is Tuesday, the 9th of February. So I hope everybody's all set for some wonderful trading today. The last few sessions have been really nice because of all the volatility. You'll hear a lot of talking heads talk about, oh my gosh, you can't do anything in these markets. Well, when the market's volatile, that's when the people that trade the way we do with Apex is this is just like it's a gift from the trading gods. This is wonderful. So the only thing I would caution you is to be careful about the news. This morning we don't have much. At 10 o'clock is the JOLTS jobs, but as a rule that doesn't do too much. Given last Friday's employment numbers and the response, the market was extremely displeased with those numbers. We might get a little something out of that around 10 o'clock. So just be aware at 10, there could be some movement that we don't expect. Anyway, we have all the indices are playing very well together this morning. They're all in the same down mode. TF, it looks like, well, NQ is the one that has been very steady. There was a 30-minute spot around, I think between 6:30 and 7, that the other three did put a pretty good down move. The dollar is down in a little bit of a chop, and bonds have moved up some. They sold off in the European session, and now they're moving up some. The thing I notice when I look at the overall markets this morning is that crude oil and the Canadian dollar are almost like the Bobbsey twins this morning. They are they hit a certain point and they're just going down and down and down. We had the VIX close at 26 yesterday, so that's definitely higher than I don't know, about 3 months ago when it was around 15. And as long as the VIX continues to climb and hold the altitude, these indices will continue to go on down. And that can be a good thing for us. So let's see. This morning, gold had a really nice move. I don't like to trade gold. I don't know, 10 o'clock. I just ignore it. But I can tell you that early in the morning, gold has given some very, very nice trades. So we'll have to see what comes of that. If anybody is having any trouble or problems, or you're getting frustrated or whatever, be sure and let us know, because we've all been there. This is not something that can't be fixed. Sometimes you get so close to the forest you can't see the trees, and you just need a little different perspective. So be sure and ask in the room. We don't all trade the same things, and the same markets, and we don't all trade the same strategies, and we don't all trade the same. We don't have the same personal style. So when somebody's telling you something and you're sitting there thinking, really? Don't let that stop you. Just find somebody that can help explain that to you, because I know we've all, speaking from personal experience, we've all been there. You just have to find out how to make this work for you. It works. There's no question about that. It definitely works. So I will come back about noon, and we'll see what else we've had. But early this morning, right around 7 o'clock, there were some really nice trades for the early birds. So, and don't forget tomorrow. If you are trading tomorrow, not only do we have the political news from the United States with the New Hampshire primary, but Mrs. Yellen will be testifying tomorrow. And heaven only knows what she's going to say. Anyway, this has been my view from my world in Apex land, brought to you by Apex Investing. I'll see you about noon. Thanks.